Daylight savings starts this Sunday, and while you adjust your clocks forward an hour, there's also something else to keep in mind in your home that also needs to be checked. Sioux City Fire Rescue asking residents to take that time to change the batteries in their smoke detectors. That's to ensure the safety of everyone in your home. It's advised to replace your smoke detectors if they have been used for 10 years or more.
It's important to have early detection. Fire doubles in size every 30 seconds, so the sooner that we can be aware of a potential hazard in our residence, the faster we can get out and stay safe.
Sioux City's Fire Safe Home program offers a free home fire inspection and the installation of 2 smoke alarms if you need them.